The ability to accurately identify specific patient populations is increasingly important as organizations focus on precision medicine, support clinical trials, and meet regulatory reporting requirements. But evolving organizational priorities and inconsistent data management practices make it difficult to segment patient populations into clinically consistent cohorts using value sets. In this context, value sets are collections of patient problems, labs, or treatments, along with their corresponding billing and reference codes. By grouping together nuanced codes and terms, a value set precisely defines a clinical concept, like those with type 2 diabetes. But creating and maintaining a reliable value set is easier said than done. Whether they're created for clinical decision support, population health management, quality improvement, reimbursement, or analytics and research, healthcare organizations must source and validate hundreds of codes to build an accurate value set. This process remains highly manual, with staff scouring websites, manipulating spreadsheets, and consulting with clinicians. And even then, these value sets may identify false positives and negatives. But it doesn't have to be that way. IMO Precision Sets streamlines the process to create and maintain value sets, delivering an intuitive approach to identify the exact problem, diagnosis, lab, medication, and procedure codes needed to define clinical concepts. The solution is powered by healthcare's largest collection of clinically specific terminologies mapped to all major code sets. With IMO Precision Sets, users can conveniently access the industry's most common data sets for reporting and accelerate workflows by leveraging more than 200 pre-built value sets. All of this is available within a single web-based tool that allows users to easily search for specific value sets. Create new value sets using ICD-10-CM, SNOMED-CT, ICD-10-PCS, CPT, LOINC, RX-Norm, and NDC codes. Review and apply code set updates. Compare multiple value sets. Upload value sets from other systems and tools. And export value sets compatible with all EHRs and health IT and analytics platforms. Developing and maintaining value sets doesn't have to be time-consuming and cumbersome. With IMO Precision Sets, you can quickly unlock the power of precise data to accelerate decision-making, improve patient care, and streamline reporting. To learn how IMO Precision Sets can transform your value set workflows and support your data quality strategy, contact IMO today.